Today, we're diving into the RG6 Dual Shield Plenum rated coaxial cable by CommScope. This cable boasts a robust construction with an 18 AWG copper-clad steel conductor, ensuring durability and reliable signal transmission. Its Plenum-rated jacket not only meets safety standards, but also guarantees optimal performance in various installation environments. UL-listed and RoHS-compliant, it adheres to strict industry regulations, offering peace of mind for both residential and commercial installations. The cable's CMP, CL2P, and CATVP ratings underscore its versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of applications including home theaters, satellite systems, and digital signage setups. The male-to-male connector configuration simplifies installation, while its white color seamlessly blends into most surroundings that in testing. The RG6 cable delivered exceptional audio and video quality, minimizing signal loss and interference thanks to its dual shield construction. Whether you're streaming high-definition content or setting up a multi-room audio system, this cable ensures clear and crisp transmissions. Overall, the RG6 Dual Shield Plenum rated coaxial cable from CommScope stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to achieve superior audio-visual performance with reliability and compliance in mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.